to license it.
Meep, meep.
Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is an eBay car haul. What's special about this one is it's all Corvettes. Oh yeah. Sometimes I buy a lot of cars. That's the cheapest way I have found, and by the way, the actual cars are the cheapest part of this hobby, in my opinion, and my goal is usually to buy these at a value of less than $1 each. And in this case, I came out at about 35 cents per car. There's about 20 of these, and they're all Corvette because it's one of my favorite brands, and I just want to be well stocked up. And I saw this on eBay, and I couldn't pass up the opportunity. I put a maximum bid in. I never exceed what I decide is my maximum. Only a couple people bid on this, and so I was the fortunate winner. And it came with this little extra cheapo diorama as well, which is not all that good, but I'm going to take off the gas tanks and air hoses and use it in my nicer diorama. I want to give a shout out to my friend Chris today and his excellent YouTube channel called Diecast Dungeon. Chris is a fellow Corvette enthusiast. I'll put a link to his YouTube channel in the description. Let's get started and see what we have. BBURAGO is the first model maker, and this is a C4 Wrangler done up in a kind of a NASCAR livery. It's a 1:43 scale. You'll notice I have two of the larger cars in this lot. Kind of a bonus. I like BBURAGO, done a couple of them, and this will be a fun one to work on. Here is a 1965 C2. Of course, the C and a number is the generation of the car. This is a nice convertible. And there's a picture of the real car. So nice looking. The C5, one of my favorites, getting a little bit newer, also in a racing livery. I'm not going to show you every single one of these today, but I'll hit the highlights for you. Many people say that the 63 Stingray C2 is their favorite Corvette because of the split rear window. I've got a couple of these now, and I'm looking forward to doing a restoration on that. Ooh. You love it or you hate it. I happen to love it. This is a Hot Wheels 1/58 Grand Sport model. Also a couple of doubles in my possession now. This is in better shape than some of the ones that I get, and I don't buy them brand new in order to display them or collect them. They're kind of beat up when they come my way, and that's what this channel is all about. This is the Matchbox version of the same thing, another Grand Sport. I don't mind some scratches and chip paint because my hobby is restoring these and making them look better. The 69 COPO C3. COPO stands for Central Office Production Order. Customers would get a fast heartbeat and sweaty palms when they knew they could get dealers to order cars with options that were not available as regular features. And the 69 is the car that the NASA astronauts all were given. It's Conrad, Gordon, and Bean in front of their gold and black models. The C7 comes from 2014, and this one looks pristine. Nice convertible. I like the shape of that one very much. Can't say there's one in here that I don't really like. Another C2 from 68. This is a Matchbox Superfast. Side exhaust pipes on that hidden headlights. And a 1958 C1. I just did a 57 on my channel recently in red and white. The 58 went from 2 front headlights to 4. This one is a beauty. Looking forward to working on that. The hood pops up. You see that nice engine underneath. You can decorate your tree with a Corvette emblem, or wouldn't it be nice to get a C7R under the tree from Santa Claus? This one is looking sharp too. They're all pretty fantastic, but this was the jewel in this lot. Del Prado is the maker. It's another 1:43 scale, therefore extra details are included in this one. And it really doesn't look like it needs a lot of work, but there are some small defects. There was a broken off side mirror. One of the wheels is a little bit wobbly, but this will be a very special restoration when its time comes on the hobby bench. That's the reason I bought this lot, and I really did get a very good score, very economical and affordable. And I'm going to put them all in my Corvette box that goes in my organizers. I already had about a dozen of them, and so my supply now, you can see, is pretty extensive. So if anybody wants to do a Corvette build-off, give me a call. And there's a pretty good chance now I've got what you've got in my collection, and we can see what each other comes up with as ideas. I want to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas 2020 and a Happy New Year, and believe that 2021 is going to bring great things, better things for all of us. Thanks for visiting today, and come on back real soon and often. It's coffee time.